She get lost. She in the back right off. She wanna fuck on the boss. She wanna fuck on the law.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually gonna be throwing on some duckbill right here. We got Ruby over there. Say what's up, Ruby.
Hello? He's here.
He's got a kind of a mess going on right here, but he's welding his white pipe because he got it. I think the last video showed Ruby banging on this bitch. I'll put a clip right now. But it showed him banging on this bitch, and you're not supposed to bend this easy, so he's actually welding on just normal pipes right here to try to close that leak. Today with mine, my radiator's leaking right here, and it's fucking, this car's like 16 years old and it's plastic, so I need to replace it, but we're throwing JB Weld on this bitch right now to see how it holds. I know I probably should replace it, but I gotta fucking paint this car, so I'll replace it eventually. And then right now, taking off all this adhesive right here because the duckbill kind of goes like halfway down, so I want to get off a lot of this adhesive. If I take off this one, the 350, and then we'll mount this on right now, so I'll pick it up right there. Anything you want to say, Ruby? It's been a while. It's been like a month.
I think it's been over a month.
It's probably been over a month. Nothing much.
I see it painted.
Yeah.
Another step closer.
Oh yeah, I did a little mod right here, you know. Got some LEDs, but they don't even work, so nice little mod. But we'll get them working eventually. But yeah, I'll pick it up right now when the adhesive's off, and then we'll throw this wing on right now. Yeah, I blame Drew.
I do.
Once he moves over here, I think it'll be a lot better.
I hope. That nigga's a bitch, though. Huh, Drew? You're a bitch.
I've looked at this shit so many times, though.
Don't do that.
I think I have. Imagine.
I missed.
You missed. Go to the left right there. Nice. I'll tap one right here. Or right there too. I'll give her a little left tap right there. You remember when those little sparks used to hurt me? Oh! Alright, so I got all the adhesive off for the most part. Kind of looks pretty ugly, but I'm gonna paint it, send this all down eventually in the future. But I got everything else off right now. We're about to throw this duckbill on. Ruby got his exhaust working, everything like that. But made these a little bit bigger. And then we're gonna mount it right now with some tape, drill the holes, and then we should be good to go.
It hits my sway bar. Hey. It's hitting my sway bar now.
And then also my radiator. We put JB Weld on this bitch, so it's pretty hard. So we'll see how this goes. It's in your sway bar?
Maybe. Oh no, it has some weight to it, so it might hang down just fine.
Damn.
But now it is, yeah. Now the way it is.
I just turned the bitch on and nothing. We're good. There's only water here because we dumped some in this tank, but it should be all good to go.
I'm gonna figure out where I was supposed to hit.
You let me know when you're ready. Ready? Aye.
Oh, damn, that was a deep one. I think that's good.
Damn. God, my fucking ankle.
Okay, I think we're good.
Good?
Clearance issue.
Damn.
101.
Hell yeah.
I hope that's good. I feel bad beating on my shit like that.
Fucking nuts.
Watch, it was completely wrong.
I know. it's like over. I was like over there over here. We should be good. Are you gonna cut the bumper right now? Or are you gonna?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Well, unless you want to mark it up.
Nah, I'm gonna just cut it.
Fuck it. Bet. All right, so now Ruby's gonna zippity zappity cuttity coatity this bitch right here. Because this fucking blast pipe's already burning his bumper. So he's gonna cut right here so that bitch don't touch you no more. You got anything to say, Ruby?
See.
Sir. Yeesh. But speaking of the JB Weld for the win, fuck getting a new radiator. Go JB Weld on your shit. Worked for my gas tank. Worked for my radiator. Worked for Ruby's exhaust before. Oh yeah. Get that shit. Alright. Yeah, so he just cut this shit off. So he's about to mount up the, this is a little piece he cut off. But he just, what the fuck is that? Alright, we got everything taped up right now. It looks pretty even. We all measured everything. It's like just under ½ inch. Just under ½ inch and then an inch and an inch. Looks a little wonky right now because it's not pushed down all the way. But when it pushes down, it looks even. So we're gonna start drilling these holes right now and let you know what happens when we finish that. Alright, so we have all the holes drilled in. These are all the old ones from the wing, but we got these ones in. We're doing the top row right now because my bottom ones that we kind of marked up are off by a little bit. So we're gonna measure up the top, mount it, and then kind of go from there left and right. So, and we're still waiting to hear that shit start over there. Hopefully no leaks.
Hey, I'm praying, bro. If there is, I'm gonna be fuming. I've been chasing this leak since like, what are we in? February? Since
fucking
like December, bro.
yeah.
Like, literally since like December, like late October.
Ever since you threw the boss pipes on,
yeah,
so.
dude, it's awful.
But we'll hear that bitch right now in a little bit. So, but we're gonna fuck with this. Try to get it mounted. Try to get it as even as possible. Right now they're both 1.5 inches away, so that's the even part. But the biggest one is obviously left and right. So, all right, pick it up right now when we get everything back on. All right, so got the wing mounted up. Already put screwdrivers through just to get an idea. But it's all lined up. Looks fucking sick. And these lines right here are so clean. So right now we're gonna take them out. We're gonna rivet from the top right up here, and then we'll go down. So looks sick. And we just sold he just sold the couch.
Money.
So
Cars, you know how it goes.
yeah,
Good Sunday.
for real. All right, cool. We got one in. Cleaned up all these holes, and now we're just riveting the top, and then we're gonna go from there, like that.
Life size.
Shit. Life size. But yeah, if you guys want to see how the rivet nut goes, all it is, go back to my wide body video if you need to, but go like that. Squeeze. It's in. You get it a little bit tighter, but you don't want to go too tight because they'll break. And then you just untwist.
A few inches later.
And boom. Rivet nut.
Sheesh. Clean.
All you need is a couple Mexicans, and you're good to go.
Dos bros.
Ooh. COVID.
You got COVID. You hear that?
We should go like a tiny bit bigger on this or what?
On what? Whatever you use on that, yeah.
Looks good though.
Top ones are in. Nice and flush, no issues.
Cross our fingers.
We just gotta make those holes bigger and then mount it and then make sure these are good. Make those bigger. Rivet nut. And then boom, 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 boom. Damn, bro, you got some hairy ass legs.
And that's the finished wide body, finally. Next is paint.
Paint, wheels, tune, some maintenance, and then a tune. Sheesh. Yeah, I was about to say, you need to wash.
In like 3 weeks, bro. 2 weeks.
Alrighty. Wing is on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Anyways, wing is on. Looking good. Sheesh. Honestly, the gaps are looking pretty even on both sides. Damn, Chunny boy. Hey. Alright, let me just redo that. Let's cut that shit out. Yeah, gaps are looking good on the each side. You know, even Steven all the way across. Hardware is kind of annoying.
Yeah.
These corners and
That's
shit.
why damn, bro, look what we're doing my exhaust.
Jeez.
But
Piston the exhaust.
that's why we went rivet over fucking double-sided tape. It just looks cooler. It matches the fender lining. Really, really nice. So, only ones we're missing are these 4 right here. And that's because these are right on the edge of the hatch. So what I'm gonna do, like my old one, is just go a long bolt and then a nut through the other side. Be good to go. Still gotta hear Ruby start at Z right now.
It looks so good. I like the side profile. Fuck those bricks. The side profile.
This is dope.
Sheesh.
With the arrow too on the bottom.
Yeah. Dude, once this thing is painted, oh man.
What we might do though, stay tuned. After this is painted and shit, we gonna fucking, just cause we can't afford it right now, carbon wrap all this top and hatch and everything until we can buy real carbon. So Ruby, 10 likes and we'll get matching carbon tops.
Damn, look at that.
Okay, I'm good. Home Depot it is. Yeah. You ready? Let me hit the bit.
Oh god.
Boy just pulled up, said he fixed the leak. Damn, that shit is fucking deep. Yeesh. What's that, cut? Got the shit or what? Got the shit. Sounds really fucking good. Alright guys, so welcome back. Right now I'm picking up is a few days later. I just got back from the wash. I put some clips in right now, but just got a wash and this shit is way so cleaner. Haven't washed in like 3 weeks and it looks so much better. So pick up on the, what was it? The JB weld on the radiator. That is a no-go. It's starting to leak again right there. See a little bit. So I just bought a new radiator. I bought an aluminum one because what I think it is the sun's going in through here and it's just killing all this right here. So I'm gonna just buy an aluminum one and then got the Duckbill in. I finally got those. So the problem we had was the 4 rivets on the corners weren't working because it was at an angle. So I just put a bolt through and then just tied it up. So I got the 4 in, kind of hit this a little bit trying to take these rivets out, but I'm gonna be sanding down the car and hopefully here soon. So, but this is the wing on. And then I actually took off, I don't know if you guys noticed, I had a diffuser right here because it had one right here and then it was the corners. So actually you get to see my Supreme tag now, but I just got the middle going. And then and then I also took off the louvers back here. Looks a lot better. Looks cleaner in my opinion. But I did a little thing. Check it out. I put blue LEDs on the license plate light. I don't know, it's kind of bright, but I kind of like it. But then again, I don't because it looks like a cop car, all the red and blue. So I don't know, it looks a little bright, but it looks pretty good. I like it. But yeah, so hopefully next video is probably going to be a radiator install. So if you guys made it this far in the video, please leave a like, leave any comments, any ideas, anything I could do better, just feedback would be nice. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.
Son, where'd you find this?
Yes, you ain't mad. 25, 8, 6, 7, 8 bands. I just asked my good Lord for another day.